So the LIFE program is a program for our postgraduate students. These students are 18 to 22 and they have disabilities.
They needed work skills. They needed the opportunity to show people what they can do, so we created LIFE.
So our students go to class for an hour in the morning and they do life skills. They learn about budgeting, making resumes, things like that. And then in the afternoon, they get that 3.5 hours of on-the-job training.
Doing okay there, Derek?
Yep.
They are working at the CEC and then our IT department.
And they are just such a joy to work with. Every day they come in just eager to help however they can. We give them a new assignment every day or try to find new things for them to do every day.
I want to help get tables.
Yeah, me too.
My favorite part of working on the job site is cleaning and organizing things.
Well, my favorite part about working in the LIFE program is getting to really know like everyone to get to do like different stuff that you would have to do in the real world. Like, for example, power washes, scanning, a lot of things.
The LIFE program that make me feel that even more confidence because I can keep myself focused.
LIFE program, it helps me make you feel proud.
I think the right program, it's ring the right tables.
I wanted to see what.
The LIFE program helped me to be more confident in my future. It's that I learned new skills so that I could be a professional.
This opportunity has given our school system and our staff opportunities to see our students show their work skills. They can do it.
They do things from watering our plants to cleaning all our rooms, setting up our rooms for the next day's events. They have totally redone our resource room and hung all our clothes, organized our food pantry.
They have helped me a lot with inventory. I have been shorthanded, so they assisted with that, scanning stuff in.
Our students are hard workers. They want to work. They show up, they're excited, they're always asking for more.
They love what they do. They have learned so much. When they came in, they did not know about Excel spreadsheets. Now they set up their own.
No matter what the task is, they go at it wholeheartedly. I can't tell you what they have done for people here, even in their bringing their smile, their great attitude. They're just a joy to have where we are every day.
Is anyone of you done with the net roller?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Recently, our students started working at CVS. So we had a couple students from each school move into different CVS's, and they've been doing front of house jobs like stocking shelves, talking with customers, and returning things to the correct areas.
We're looking to see how we can actually improve the business with our students who bring this other expertise of work skills that the business doesn't have. We're excited to work with more business partners. I think more opportunities we have with our community, the more this will grow.
If you're interested in becoming a partner with the LIFE program, you can reach out to me. My email is shutson, shutson @rcps.info, and my phone number is 304-893-7823.